What's good, people? Simeon Panda here, and welcome to my channel. Okay, today I'm doing something a little different. So those of you that follow me for a long time will know I'm a car guy, a proper car guy. Like, I love my cars, and I'm not a car guy in the sense of like the typical YouTuber that made a bit of money and, oh, I bought a Lambo. Nah, I've been a car guy since I was a child. I've loved cars from day one. I've always got as much horsepower as I could afford. You know, one of my first cars was an Audi TT 3.2 Quattro. Then I had a Audi S5, you know, and then when I came out here, I got a 570 GT, McLaren 570 GT. That had 570 horsepower. I tuned it to 700 horsepower. It was a beast, absolutely amazing, loved that car. I now have a 720S here, which is tuned to 940 horsepower. And is the fastest car. Like, it's hard to explain how fast it is. It is absolutely ridiculously fast. And yeah, so my love of cars has been from day one. I love speed. I do track days, I do rallies. So for me, the car thing it's a big part of my life, you know. It's not just I like a flashy car. That's not why I buy cars, to look flash. I love supercars for everything they're about, the design, performance. Like I said, I do rallies, I do track days. I'm fully involved in the car scene. I tune my cars, you know. No matter what car it is, I'm tuning it. And I drive them every day, you know. So that 570 that I had it for 3 years. I put 33,000 miles on it, you know, in 3 years, you know. And normally when people get these supercars, they keep them in the garage, they drive them on the weekends. I like to daily drive my car, you know, because that's what I got it for, so I can drive it. So today, what's this video about? Well, today we're doing some work on them. I've already done so much work, and I wish I'd actually filmed the whole process, you know, from stock all the way to everything that I've done, but I haven't, but we're starting today. I also owe you guys my rally video. So the last rally I did, we started in San Francisco and we finished in Arizona. It was an 8-day rally. We drove over 3,000 miles. Amazing, absolutely amazing. I just haven't edited it yet. It's like, there's so much footage. I caught it on my GoPro, so much footage. I'm gonna edit that and bring it to you. But today we are changing. So first, let me just tell you what the car came with. So this car came with it's like a teal color. In fact, let me show you the color. I always say teal, and then people are like, that's not teal, but I don't know what color to call it. So this is the actual original color of the car. You see that underneath? Don't know if that's gonna come show good on camera, but that's the original color of the car. So I wrapped it. So it was that color plus orange, and it had carbon fiber in certain places. So it had carbon fiber here, and carbon fiber here. You know, I love my carbon fiber. For those of you that, you know, are car people, you know, carbon fiber is the, like, if you can get your whole car in carbon fiber, you would. You know, it looks great and it's light. So things that I've added carbon fiber here on the engine cover, here and here. I've added carbon fiber here. I've also added, actually no, that's all the carbon fiber I've added so far. However, inside the car, it came with carbon everywhere, you know, steering wheel, carbon all here, carbon, carbon, carbon. So what I've done is I want to continue that theme. So today we are changing the wing to carbon fiber, and we are changing the hood to carbon fiber as well. And it's gonna look absolutely amazing. It already looks like a Batmobile, like a beast spaceship. When we're done, it's gonna look even more crazy. Like I said, I love modifying these cars. It's a fun thing to do. The Urus came fully loaded with carbon everywhere. So there's nothing really to add here. Like, it has carbon here, carbon here, carbon all over. Even inside is full of carbon. Carbon here. All on the interior is carbon, so I'm a big fan of carbon. And the reason I brought the Urus out today is because we're also, after we've done the modifications on the 720 with the hood and the wing, we're gonna put a dash cam in the Urus, the same dash cam that I have in my 720, which I haven't told you about, but it's an absolutely amazing dash cam. It's front and back, and I can connect to it with my phone. You know, anytime I wanna look into the car, I can see it, I can trace everywhere it's been, everything. It's a fantastic dash cam. So I'm gonna get the same setup that I have in the 720 in this. Now, why would I need it? Guys, for some reason, every now and then you get someone that hates on you and wants to key your car for no reason whatsoever. So I was just doing my food shop. I came out one day and I saw this big scratch right through, and I haven't taken off the wrap, so I don't know if it goes right through to the actual paintwork, but I thought, you know what, I would love to know what kind of person does this, you know, so I've got my dash cam, so next time someone does it, I'll have them in 4K and we can share it with the world. I'll put it on every social media platform. We can see the kind of person that just decides to key a car for no reason whatsoever, you know, so that's what we're doing today. Now, guys, I'm gonna introduce you to the guy that's gonna be helping me sort everything out. This is Steve. What's good, man? How you doing?
It's good. How are you? How are you?
And we are representing
SD Exotic Car Service.
5 years, I've bought every car to him. You know, every single car that I've had, I've bought to him because I trust him, does great work. And today's gonna help me. Like, he's already freaking done so much to the car. When I got back from the rally, you know, when you do a rally, you expect things to go wrong. And if you don't, then you've never been on a rally. You know, so the car had all sorts of lights, like a Christmas tree. But the great thing is the car, as always, got me from A to B without like a glitch. Obviously there was little lights in here and there, but those things, took it to him, got it all sorted. The car is running fantastically now. And yeah, no, today is the mod day, man.
The modification for the carbon.
Yeah, excited, man, excited. All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
So we are done and it looks flipping awesome. Like, it's night and day, man. Like, the hood just looks aggressive. And that's what you want the car to look like, man. Yeah, that's clean. Love it, absolutely love it. Okay, so guys, the plan was to get my same setup that I have in here with the dash cam. So I've got a dash cam on the front and back, and I've got the cloud unit here. The cloud unit has a SIM card in it, which allows me to connect to the car anytime, anywhere. And I can do a live view where I can see what's going on in the car. I can put the sound on, you know, I can even speak. I can talk to whoever's in the car. There's a battery pack down here as well. So basically, if the car's off, the camera still works and stays on, you know, so that's a great thing. So basically, I'm gonna get this same setup in the Urus, but as you can see, you can't see any wires. It's done so professionally that you can't see any wires. I'm gonna get the same setup in the Urus, but it's gonna take a few hours. You know, I didn't anticipate that it was gonna take that long, so we're not gonna do it today. But I am gonna get it done, and I might film it, or I might just let you guys know when it's done and show how it works and stuff. So yeah, but this came out amazing. Very proud of it. Great job. Guys, if you wanna see more car content, I'm still gonna bring you the rally because I filmed the whole rally. So I'm gonna upload that. But yeah, let me know if you like car content because I do a lot of car stuff. So peace, subscribe.